Hi everyone, it's Neil, and welcome to my office. And today I have some Amazon Basics stuff. If you haven't tried the Amazon Basics stuff, you gotta give it a try because I got a bed skirt. So that's what this is here, is a bed skirt. You can kind of, it's queen. There's kind of the information about it, I guess. It's kind of covered up. But let's see, I got a white one because my bed's white. My new box spring should be coming in today that I'll be covering it with, but let's check this thing out and see how it is. It's got some good weight to it, so it's not just some little thin, super thin thing. Box will just go on the floor. And let's check this out here. Ooh, it's soft. Boy, I wish my sheets were this soft. Okay, so, and this is what this one looks like. You can kind of see I just got white, and it's got a good, thickness to it. It's got it's the OEKO text is, I guess, the style or brand or something. You can see it right there. But this is it, and this is my queen size one. I got the flat one. I didn't get one that was so pleated all throughout. But I'm gonna go probably throw this thing in the wash and put it on my bed, and hopefully it's gonna work out great because I just got it so I don't have to look at my blue box spring that I got, so I can look at this instead on the side, I guess. So that's what the bed skirts are for. Also, I can put stuff under the bed and no one will see it because it's got this thing covering it. So, so if you haven't gotten a bed skirt, get one, and you can get this one. This is the Amazon Basics one, so it was just some super inexpensive one. But I'll put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourself. Be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the little notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I post anything new because I'm reviewing stuff all the time. Thanks for watching. Bye.